more on the reach out to answer the Holness. We get a little helping hand because I not live down way, I'm homeless. I live from guest house to guest house. Every guest house me there, people are showing me out, people are showing me at night time to hurt me. So each and everybody, me appeal out to the Andrew owners to reach out for me today here right now because I need help. I need help and I want somebody to help me out to get a nice apartment to live. No. I'm tired of it, tired of it on the road, the downtown and all over the place. I'm fed up of it now, Mr. Prime Minister. And right now, desperate need help, sir. Thank you. Look how Salam. Clash Rosealee, what here? Because Rosealee want to go upon him live. And him this was brutally wicked answer. I was a big fat girl, I come from my life, but she has sent requests. I'm not playing a match with the big old girl. Go beard and keep your house tight and clean up your place. And now Salam, gonna Rosealee yard. Rosealee should have that piece by your Salam. You're too enough now, blood clot. Rosealee now in a yard, bomber like you run gonna Rosealee yard. I look friend from blood clot. Rosealee, I can't give Rosealee. Move your bomber and Salam. Rosealee should have that piece on your blood clot face. Rosealee now in a video. All Rosealee class with Blamdem and the whole of them, you run gonna Rosealee yard. And something you all look, we can put up on internet, we can look hype and follow off a blood clot Rosealee. We're not too enough, we're not too blood clot enough. Everybody run go Rosealee yard, we're not too enough the bomber clot. Rosealee no want a friend found a blood clot. All the Salam run gonna Rosealee yard, gonna send gift to the Rosealee. And your class Rosealee like drunk or rotten. You talk about you now play the match with Rosealee. And Rosealee big and stick and better with dirty and she go clean herself and she want bitter and sit there. You Salam move your bomber clot Salam. You're weak in your blood clot. Cut off your dirty locks them. Your locks them full of lice in your head. Lice in your head now blood clot Salam. Cut your blood clot and left the people them business you. And I got class Rosealee and attack up. What I want wicked. Jayden, remember say you're glad for Rosealee what the you know when Rosealee naked, you know, and talk about Rosealee body, you know, Jayden, you're wicked with bomber clot. Rosealee, you don't have shame. The whole of the people that will bring it down and clot, and them you run too. And when you come bring man a park and clot, Derrick man, and your blood clot, Rosealee, you're wicked girl, you know. So they put the people that can't give up one little kind Rosealee, your friend, the people, them Rosealee, that wicked blood clot girl. And to the premise, I got help your blood clot, no? You think you're the pan top Rosealee, you're the pan of blood clot top Rosealee. Hold your can of Rosealee and get all the help you want and get some blood clot Rosealee. Yeah, me I tell you one bomber clot Derrick, but it's blood clot happy at Rosealee. That me I tell you Rosealee. You can't send no more man in the park to me a blood clot Rosealee. Remember the people you send a park to me. Rosealee, Nicki, if you know say you're a wicked girl and you're a liar. Nicki, smart. Rosealee, I'm a little liar girl. I'm a little wicked girl. Rosealee want gift and money. Rosealee no want no blood clot work. Rosealee are a young blood clot girl. We got kid up on a big bumble. Oh look at work, blood clot. Rosealee top beg the people them money on TikTok. It's a wicked blood clot. You do these things we get gift Rosealee. You do these things we get blood clot gift Rosealee. It's a wicked and a bitch. Nicki wicked. Rosealee is a wicked girl. Nicki smart. Rosealee is a one wicked blood clot liar girl. And that means be careful of Rosealee, Nicki. Be careful of Rosealee, Nicki, smart. Keep her Rosealee. Rosealee is a one wicked girl and a liar in a bomber clot. That me I tell you, Nicki smart. Wicked blood clot girl, Rosealee. And that me I tell you. No blood clot people on TikTok. We love come on and people comment. And I come and fuck you. We can comment on them bomber clot. You know one comment about blood clot Derrick. Me say Rosealee no real blood clot draws. Rosealee no real draws. Ain't Rosealee anybody at it out as well. Rosealee drop her clothes naked and I war with the blood clot people. You not go no man. I want the blood clot people like you not go no. You not go to pussy clot. You not go bomber clot. You want blood clot wicked and cross it's no blood clot. And something Rosealee a blood clot. Look, and you want this, you want this. She not Rosealee not satisfied. Rosealee want house. Rosealee want this. Rosealee no says she got a look at job in Rosealee. Anything Rosealee wants, she come on the internet and cuss people and bully people for them blood clot money. After Rosealee bomber clot steal. Who not tell Rosealee to go look at work at Rosealee blood clot young. No, Rosealee put up cash up to get money for lawyer. No, Rosealee want money to fix up out. Oh no, Rosalee want to fix up bomber clot out and Rosalee get money and long time Rosalee a big pan TikTok to fix up out and we pin up the blood clot out, buy a good sensible bed and the blood clot out, put on some good sheet on the bed, buy a TV, buy something and the blood clot out and Rosalee a big money to do them something. On a move on a blood clot and the TikTok people, on a crosses, on a even a blood clot people, don't come for Derrick Maga when not done, come for Derrick Maga and come class up Derrick and Derrick Maga and afraid on a blood clot, on a fuck off and go, and come kiss up my bomber blood clot and go, on dead dog, no drunk, on a crow it there, well on a bomber clot. Wiki, when I come, when I put up my bomber clot video, when I come into another blood clot, I'm feel on a bomber blood clot, no come suck out my blood clot, bomber raw clot, the whole I wanna come now up my bomber wall. People, Rosealee not to the star. Rosealee not to the star looks sympathy. She just stop look sympathy she get show and talk about the policeman and the policeman and this. A long time Rosealee has to pass herself. Me can not to and if Rosealee live out a spoiled and Rosealee do them something. And first Rosealee do them something. A long time Rosealee has sleep. First thing Rosealee no wear drawers. Rosealee don't wear drawers. Me tell you up on TikTok, Rosealee don't wear no blood clot drawers. Anytime Rosealee and people are out a spoiled, Rosealee strip. To draw a crowd and excitement. Rosealee love it. People Rosealee love it. Because I don't want to talk about. We know that Rosealee love it. We know that Rosealee love it to strip. When she see crowd and police are come, a long time Rosealee do them something. I shouldn't do that now. When we see Rosealee go, a long time Rosealee strip for a long time. No blood clot. We no go away. We no go away. We no wicked. We say that people love comment and that people video on blood clot wicked people. On a bomber clot wicked and evil and some pussy clot now wicked. Everybody on blood clot Rosealee story. I hear to Rosealee strip. Front a smile like Rosealee strip. Yeah, and I hear the Rosealee strip. I mean, where the wall and I come swarm the people on TikTok. No go away. Are you Mr. Blood Clap, Blamdem? You now run Nicki show on a blood clot. I gotta tell the woman if you end nobody move your bomber clap. Nicki stop deal with you. Nicki stop deal with you. You should nobody Nicki a pirate chap. Them big top artists. She should not mix up somebody like you a blood clot. And boy, you also who you to blood clot running through the blood clot, but I'm gonna find well, I soon come for your blood clot. You dip on TikTok, I make beer trouble, I cause people, but shit not played. Go look at work, wait. Are you look at work, your blood clot young? Go tell me, Nicki, oh, you fuck off, you fuck off, you look up sister. I don't even take blood clot, Nicki, and leave people a blood clot alone. I don't have a bomber clot, tell a woman say, and leave people blood clot alone on TikTok. You come war with people, you come disrespect people and come cuss people and tell people are Batman and you that blood clad Batman because you're a big Batman lion and sick, move your blood clad and bomber clad Jayden a batty boy. You may tell you, Jayden a batty boy because Jayden a fuck Salamite girl and blood clad. I was at the company even tell the party your woman where you there with is a Salamite kind of woman. You may tell you, don't fuck your blood clot with me, Jayden now. The whole on a blood clot evil. I bring a Rosealee wicked in a bomber clot, And laugh of a Rosealee, I say Rosealee play a match with your blood. I Rosealee not no blood clot sense. Rosealee have no bomber ass clot sense, no posty blood clot. The whole I come swipe up my bomber clot. And Nicki if it stop deal with you. When I stop clotting people on TikTok, she if it stop deal with you. And if it stop deal with people on TikTok and stop cutting people over gift to blood clot and Rosealee. Move the blood clot. Come off of this today, come off of this. You have to go down today, Blamdem, you have to come down. You have to bomber ass like come down today, Blamdem. Nicki Samaj, you need to talk to Blamdem for me, please. Blamdem just go out and disrespect people on TikTok for money. And they give them what you give him. Even if you stop disrespect people. Last said somebody go upon the life, if you talk to you, the man, I disrespect the man. And Rosealee when no ambition. Rosealee, it a fight, she and her man, it a fight the same blood clot there. And Rosealee out there was she and the man. Everybody have the video, everybody have the blood clot video. You hear me I tell you no? The girl is wicked and she come back down, she got chase Miss Springer. And the one Jayden we laugh at Rosealee and attack how Rosalee's body stay and how Rosealee house stay. And Rosealee sit down with Jayden and play a match with Jayden. Rosealee is evil, the girl is that evil. I see come on the start today, you know. I see the blood clot girl coming on the start. Rosealee, you too blood clot wicked. You're going and make a sympathize with people for help you on the blood clot, Rosealee. It's a one wicked send them a bitch, no blood clot. You all the day on TikTok, you know the money to fix up your blood clot. Oh, so sink. You want cover the one with blood clot no. You that blood clot wicked girl and what you want to go to Panama for your birthday. You see you? Hey girl, you that wicked send a blood clot bitch girl. You that one wicked girl. You African until they are blood clot. But they are of course Miss Blinga, you're wicked blood clot girl Rosealee. And me see you eat fish. I mean the fish them attacking yesterday but you on live. You wicked blood clot Rosealee, you're evil girl. You don't want to say that evil blood clot girl. And me if you come off at blood clot Rosealee, you dep on internet and cut and go on like you're blood clot bad girl. You know bad girl a blood clot. You know bad girl when pretty not argue, you can't argue with nobody but I'm explaining you want to come argue with your bumble clot, yo. Bumble the big and stick the blood clot. Guys from TikTok, this is Derrick Morgan. This is the one and only Derrick Morgan. Everybody know Derrick Morgan. Uptown, downtown. In the park, them. Me live in the park, them every day in the park. Them in there, the one in my park, the one at park, Emancipation Park, St. William Grand Park. Me there most of the daytime. I don't know where to go, Mr. Prime Minister. And Mr. Prime Minister, me I beg a plea. Me I plead out here today for help Uncle Derrick, because Derrick not live nowhere. Derrick not live nowhere. People don't want to hurt me, people don't want to kill me. Man coming at St. William Grand Park for kill me in a park, man, they run me down for beat me. The same lady where you got help near Rosealee send man a park for hurt me, Mr. Prime Minister. I want to help me, Mr. Prime Minister. I'm afraid of my life. Anyway, I got people that threaten me. People driving all a car to hurt me. People driving a car come all turn over hotel for kill me. You hear me I tell you? Every guest house with them I have to run for my life, Mr. Prime Minister. Mr. Prime Minister, may I beg you to help me out. Help me out. Everybody know Derrick Morgan. Yeah, Mr. Prime Minister, every meet me go, Mr. Prime Minister. At Derrick, Mr. Andrew Holness. May I beg you help Uncle Derrick today. May I beg you help Uncle Derrick today, Mr. Prime Minister. May I query every labor right when you know Uncle Derrick. Want to reach out to Mr. Andrew Holness get this now. Every labor right know Derrick Morgan on TikTok need help him homeless, almost year on him homeless. Him ever at the St. William Grand Park at town. Everybody come in the park and see Derrick at the park at town. Remember me tell you, everybody see Derrick Morgan at the park at town. He want help. He need help. Mr. Prime Minister, I need help. Help, Mr. Prime Minister. Help Derrick Morgan. Rosealee. Have it. Rosealee have a house. Rosealee don't want to take care of him house, Mr. Prime Minister. Want to help out Uncle Derrick. No. Because yesterday I bring you down. Mr. Prime Minister, yesterday I bring you down. You have to help Rosealee. But I want to help me out. No. Reach out for me. No, Mr. Prime Minister. A long time I want to reach out to you too, Mr. Prime Minister. Everybody we know Derrick Morgan. Every secretary. Everybody with their Jamaica house know Derrick Morgan. Want to reach out to Derrick Morgan. The secretary for Andrew only the Premier of Jamaica reach out for Uncle Derrick now because they're going to hurt Uncle Derrick on the road. They're going to hurt him. Find somewhere and make me stay. Get a little a place for me, make me stay. Me to the party's life. No more. Me not no family. My family dead. My mother, father dead. Me not no family. Mr. Prime Minister. Me appreciate to you. Everybody know me. Because every meeting, everybody see Derrick Morgan. Every meeting, me say, me that conference, and my little son, them that play the conference, Mr. Prime Minister, Derrick Morgan, Derrick only Derrick Morgan with the on TikTok, Mr. Prime Minister. Want to reach out for me today. Reach out for me today, Mr. Prime Minister. Yes, Prime Minister. And every labor right, wait, see this video, get in touch with Derrick Morgan. Tag Andrew Holness with Derrick Morgan. Tag him no. I'm gonna tag this homeless man. I'm gonna tag him now. Tag this homeless man for me, please. And thank everybody know Derrick Morgan in a St. William Grand Park. I in him in there every day in there sit down. And man coming up a beat team. Rosealee send man in the park to beat me, Mr. Prime Minister. That girl is a wicked girl. Please and thanks.